Hello, Mish here. So Christmas is come and gone, and if you're anything like me, you've probably still got lots and lots of leftover food in your fridge. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and simple mini pizzas recipe. It's a great snack recipe, or just for those days when you don't feel like cooking anything. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be making 4 mini ham and pineapple pizzas. So I'm starting with 2 English muffins. And with a clove of garlic, just rub each piece of bread with a bit of garlic, so just to give it a little hint of garlic flavour. Then on each one, spread about a teaspoon of tomato paste. Just spread it out. Doesn't need to be neat. Then top with ham. I've got half a cup of ham here. Spread it out evenly. And top with some pineapple pieces. As much or as little as you want. I've got about half a cup, but you can add to your heart's desire. And lastly, just top with cheese. Just got mozzarella here because I love mozzarella cheese, and it will give a stringy melted cheese texture. It's 1 cup of cheese here between 4 pizzas. That's it. So now we'll transfer this to a preheated 230-degree oven and bake it for about 10 minutes or until the tops of the cheese become golden. They're ready! Look at that cheese. Yum. There you go, mini pizzas. Try it for yourself.